adventurers and world builders. In this video we are going to talk about the YARPS File Manager and its features. Via the File Manager you can upload files to YARPS, such as character portraits, treasure maps or handouts to illustrate and visualize your game world. Apart from a tool that is easy to use, one important question is, what can players see and what information is supposed to remain secret from them? So far, the entity called Sunion only has a map as its image. To give our players a livelier impression of the city, we'll add an atmospheric photo as an illustration. Of course, you can also upload images per drag and drop to the File Manager from a folder on your computer. Filters make it easier for us to find certain files. Files in the folder GM Secret are only visible to GMs and the owner of this instance. There are two ways to also allow players to view our photo. We can move or copy the file to the folder Player Visible that all users of this instance can access, or we can link the file to an entity that is visible to players. In such entities, files become visible to players, no matter in which folder they are stored in the File Manager. To link our photo to the entity for Sunion, we can either select the entity and assign the photo via the command choose, or we can drag the file directly onto the entity. Now YARPS shows us both images for the entity Sunion. So what if the file we want to link to an entity isn't an image to be displayed directly, but an audio file? Maybe it's a secret message in a foreign language that the heroes first have to translate. You can add all sorts of files to entities, such as audio files, video files or PDFs. Players can then download them directly. Another option to integrate files is via formatted texts. Via the editor, we can include images directly after they have been uploaded to the File Manager. This can be useful when we want to make longer texts more appealing and easier to read. The File Manager provides even more features to make our gaming lives easier. We can create subfolders to better organize our files, open preview windows, and copy or rename files. We can choose whether we want to apply changes to a linked file to all relevant entities or not. If we choose not to update all entities, the links to the file will disappear automatically though. Even a simple image editor is integrated with the File Manager. It can be used to quickly cut or rotate map images or change the size or colors of an image. That's about all we need to know about the File Manager. Have fun developing your game worlds.